Hills. If you know Canny Hills, then you know. If you're from Malaysia and you don't know Canny Hills, you should check it out, girl. Oh my god, see, this is the favorite one. A lot of people keep saying that they like this more in Canny Hills, but this is their best seller. I prefer the key lime more because I like sour things, and this is not bad too. This is quite good, but I like that more. So this video is about me doing a healthy juice, cleanse juice that I normally do for myself, and I'm going to show you all how to do it. But before that, let's eat ma. She's looking at me like that. Okay, this is the one that I like, guys. Oh, she's asking about this. Before that, let's do a little bit of taste test, even though I've already done it. Mom, eat it. Don't be shy, please. Don't eat the. Nice or not? Nice, right? Very nice, right? Nice, huh? It's very nice. If you notice, there's a cream here, and then the middle part is the sour part, I guess. Yeah, top one is sweet, middle one is sour. Deal! And I'm gonna take this reaction with my mom. Nice or not? All the reaction is just right. Today this is damn good. I'll meet you guys once I'm doing the juice, okay? I'm going to show you guys what kind of ingredients that you need. My mom is watching me like she's falling in love with me. So this is a very simple juice. If you are finding for something like I've not been feeling well, my tummy is like not well, so what you can do is you can do this and you will feel better. You need cucumber, you need 1 lemon. If you like it to be a bit more like sour, you can add more lemon. For me, 1 lemon will do. And then you need this much of celery, and then apple, like about 6 apples. Okay, this is the most time consuming step, is you have to like cut everything and, you know, put it in one side. Okay, let's get down to the cutting, bro. So you're gonna start with just basically, it depends on your, I'm really sorry about the lighting here because it's very bad. What I normally do is I will just cut off these 2 edges, and then I will just like that, like carve it. I don't know whether you guys can see or not, like this. Okay guys, so at the end it's gonna look like this, but if you're very like OCD or some shit like that, you can cut into half and take out all the what they call that? Gee, I can't talk now. Take all the seeds out. Ma, can you please don't look at me like that? I'm very shy. This is the end product, guys. It's considered a lot, you know. Can you see how it looks like? This is the amount of things that we're gonna blend now, and I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna blend. I'm gonna use this is my juicer. I wouldn't be surprised if they say they manufactured this at 1980s, because it does work like that. Look at the small opening that I'm gonna put my fruits later, and then it's gonna come out here. I'm so tired, guys. I don't know why am I doing this to myself. I can just go and sleep right now, but I just want to do something, but I just want to rest. You know, this is so headache. I wish I don't have this sometimes because it's that headache. Wow, okay, I just didn't want to continue recording that because it's too dark at that corner. Once I'm done with it, I will show you guys the result. Okay guys, oh my god, the hell, this is how I look like. Okay, this is, let me show you guys. Ma, what the hell are you doing, girl? Okay, this is what you will get in the end. This contains 7 green apple, 1 whole cucumber, entire pack of celery, and 1 whole lemon. This will last about 3 to 4 days. I will try to finish within 3 to 4 days. You can't keep it for that long. And also some people will be like, hey, buy lah, you don't have to do all that. Can buy also if you guys want. When you buy it, you can't customize it as you want, because some people put ginger to it, some people put beetroot, and then some people will add carrots, some people will add a lot of things. But this is where I would like to stop at my juicing. I think that's all for today's video. It's very simple. If you're watching, if you want to get into this healthy kind of thing, I'm not healthy at all. You just see me what I add. Before I do this video, I just add like 2 kind of pastries. So if you want to wash everything down, this is what you have to drink. Okay, so I think that's all. I'm just talking so much. It's already been 8 minutes, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Cheers.